What is up, everybody? The master trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video. So in today's video, I'm just trying to help out people that have small accounts. Look, in this strategy that I'm about to show you, it's a scalping strategy that I'm about to show you. In this strategy, guys, you can raise as low as $1 in this account to as high as 1,000, but you need some time, some patience, and all that. So I'm just trying to help out people with a small accounts on how you can build that capital you have been waiting for. So building a capital, you can start as low as $1. So basically in this strategy, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can go about it. Just copy and paste and begin to print those dollars. It might be slow depending with the capital that you have in. For example, $1 here, depending with the capital that we're dealing with. So it might be a little bit slow, but if you're having 100 USD, 200 USD, 500 USD, you'll find that you make a lot of money compared to people that are having small accounts like this one. So basically, we are going to go on Smarttrader. So it's the one that we're going to be using. So here, after logging in, we have a $1 in our account, which is €1. I'm using a euro account, so you can use a dollar whatsoever. So basically, when you come here, ensure that you come on Deriv. So you'll maybe find it on Forex, but you come on Deriv, and you come on synthetic, and you come on under synthetic. You ensure that you come on volatility 10 1s index. You click that one, you click there. So basically to bring you that, so it to basically bring you that. Then what you are going to do is here you're going to come on, you're going to come on touch or not touch, touch or not touch. So you click on touch or not touch, and here it will be 4 minutes, just the way it is, to be 4 minutes interval. And here you're basically going to put it at positive 0.3, positive 0.3. So here you're going to put it at positive 0.3, and here we are risking €1. So it depending with how much you'll be risking. Yes, so if you're risking 100 USD, you see, if you're risking 100 USD, you'll be getting about 13 USD per trade. Is a low risk kind of a trade. You basically not lose any money with the one that it's 99.9% sure that you're going to get this money. So you're going to get a 13 USD per each and every trade. But basically we're starting with €1, so which simply means we are going to be getting about 0.13 euro in terms of profit. So when you come here, you come on charts, you come on charts here, and on charts you come on tables. So how you're going to be trading here is that you'll be waiting for this blue to appear twice, just the way it appeared here. You would have entered the trade, you place a touch. So you wait for the blues to come 2 times, like consecutive 2 times, then you place a blue. So don't enter a blue when it's showing 3 times. Only enter when it shows twice, like 2 times, like the way there we were supposed to enter that trade. We just missed it. Like there we are supposed to enter. So basically, let me try to wait for one trade that I can catch so that you can understand what I mean. So there we have a red, we have red. Ensure that your internet is on point. We have a blue, we have 3, 4 blues, we have those blues coming in. So we're waiting for 2 blues to come consecutive, 2 blues, just consecutive. Then we enter a touch. There I just placed a trade based on these 2 blues that just showed. So basically we can even be viewing it from here. You see, there we have our dollar point 13 cents. So basically that's the account we have. So if at all we had 100 USD, would have gotten a 13 USD just like that. So guys, this is a legit one. There's no like shan. This one is a legit one, guys. Make money, print money. Just imagine if you have 1,000 USD. Let me just try to give you what I'm trying to mean here. If you have 1,000 USD, you can be making about, if at all you have 1,000 USD, you can be making about 132 USD per second, guys. Within a minute you can make 132 USD, which is a lot of money depending which country you're coming from. It's good money. So you can risk 1,000 USD. This is a sure trade. So if at all you have 1,000 USD, you have 100 USD, you can just be making 13 USD, 13 USD, 13 USD, 13 USD, 13 USD, 13, and you are home and dry. So if you have a 10 USD, you can be making about that much. You'll be making about 1 point something USD. Yeah, about 1 point something, because you'll be making like a dollar, something like that, in each and every trade that you enter. So basically, let's do it again. Catch another trade. Let's catch another one. So you can just be seated just like this, catching trades just like that. You just wait for 2 consecutive. Here they come, 2 consecutive blues. You do a touch. Don't enter when you see only blues are coming. 2 consecutive blues, and you enter. 2 consecutive blues, and you enter. So you just relax, you take your time, you chill out, and you will make a lot of money. So just a delay there. So you just take your time, guys. You just take your time. Take your time. There's a blue, red, blue, red, red. You just take your time. Just take your time. Blue, red. Is it green or blue? It's green, right? Yes, green. So green. So you wait for. We missed it. In as much as we rented, we missed it a little bit. So just ensure that you are on point. Okay, we got it, guys. We got it. Just ensure that you are on point. You shouldn't really take your time. So there you would have entered. Just there, we would have entered here. So just take your time. Just relax. Just take your time. The moment you see blue twice, like coming twice, you enter, you place it. You just like that. You can grow this account to as much money as you want. Thank you so much. Ensure if you found value in this video, ensure that you like the video, you hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video, and ensure that you subscribe and also join the Telegram family. It's happening, guys. Join it. You're going to be receiving free signals and all that. Thank you so much. Love you. The Master Trader himself here.